I start by sautéing half an onion with a bit of olive oil. Now I'm going to add 300 grams of diced chicken breast. This chicken breast was already seasoned with salt, black pepper, and olive oil. I'm adding 100 grams of hearts of palm, 100 grams of canned mushrooms, and half a can of diced peeled tomatoes. Now I add a tablespoon of mustard, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'll let it cook for 3 minutes. Now here's the trick. Instead of using heavy cream, I'm going to use cottage cheese. Besides making it creamy, it will make the dish lighter because cottage cheese is super healthy and has a lot of protein. So you can eat it without guilt, in my case, to eat even more, right? A light, healthy, delicious recipe is everything we're looking for, right, loves? So leave a like here, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.